In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment. In today's assignment, we have just like two files you may see. One is instruction file and other is solution file. There isn't any supporting file. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Okay. After that, then now we just make the zoom. Okay. So before going to solve our assignment, first we move toward all assignment, how many points we have in today's assignments. In today's assignment, we have just like 23 points we have. Okay. So now I'm just going to solve step by step. First, we will move just like discuss the name of our assignment, that is Exp19 Exp19 Excel to Ch07 Capstone Shipping. Okay, so today assignment name is on which we have to discuss is Exp19 Excel Ch07 CapAssessment Shipping. Project description. Okay, so you work for a company that sells cell phone accessories. The company has a distribution center in 3 states. Okay, you want to analyze shipping data to 1 week in April to determine if shipping times are too long. You will perform other analysis and insert a map. Finally, you will prepare partial loan amortization table for a new delivery van. Okay, that were totally just like instruction about the whole file, that what we have to do in our assignment. What? Okay, that's not graded part. Our graded part are start from here. Okay, and start what we have to do, we have to open the file that we have downloaded from our Peterson website, and that is first we have to open this file. Okay, it is just getting opening. Okay, after that then we move to our next point from here. The week worksheet contain data week of April. Okay, first we have to move toward week worksheet. This is week worksheet, this is stats, map, loan. So we have to move toward week worksheet, and there what we have to do, we have to move toward in cell D7. So first we have to find where is a D7, or write there D7 and press enter. Okay, there we have to put formula. Which formula we have to put? Insert update date function to calculate number of days between date arrived and date ordered. Copy function in the range. Okay, we have to put there a function that calculate the number of days between date arrived. Okay, here we have to put function. So we have to write days. Okay, so we have to open this. What is end date? Date arrived. This is end date, and this is date ship date. Okay, so we have to a number of between a date arrived and date ordered. This is a date arrived and this is date order, sorry. So date arrived and date order, this is date order. Simply press enter. Okay, this is done. Now what we have to do next, we have to copy the function to range a D8 to D35. D8 to D35 we have to copy. Double click on there, this point, double click, it will automatically copy it. You may see automatically. Okay. So our question one is, question number two is done. Now we are moving toward question number three. In question number three, we have to use just like next you want to display the city names that correspond with city airport codes. Okay. In F7, okay, in F7 we have to insert a switch function. Okay, in F7, this is F7. Here we have to put what function we have to use? We have to use switch function. Okay, SW switch function, and we open this one. Okay. Okay, so here we have to put switch function. Simply just like this one, and simply press enter. Okay, so you may see. Okay, so after putting formula, now we simply press enter. Okay, you may see in against EUS as change. Okay, double click on there and it will automatically fill. You may see. So our question number three is done. In question three, what we have to do, we have to just like in cell F7 insert switch function. Okay, we have to put just like here switch function, you may see, and here we have to focus on E7 cell. Okay, and we have to compare with this one. After solving question three, after that, then we have to simply copy the function from F7 to F8, F35. Okay, after solving question number three, then now we are moving toward question number four. In question 4, what we have to do in H7, we have to insert ifs function to identify shipping cost based on airport code. Okay, G4 to G8, G2 to G4. Okay, we have to use if function in H7 here. H7, we have to put ifs function, and then now it is okay, you may see. Okay, now double click on there, it will done. So our main focus, what we have to do in question 4, in cell I7 insert a function ifs function to identify the shipment cost based on airport code and applicable shipping rates in a range G2 to G4. Here are the rates, and here is the country code. So we have to put against that code accurately. Okay, so question 4 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 5. So in question number 5, what we have to do, just like first we will read instructions. Finally, you want to calculate partial shipping refund if two conditions are met. Okay. In cell I7, insert if function and nested AND function to determine shipping. Okay. So here we have to put here if function that is switch with AND function. Okay, then what we have to do, the AND function should ensure both conditions are met, which 2 days is greater than total days in C3 and order. Okay, total days is greater than total days C3 and order. Okay, and then total is equal or greater than order total threshold C2 if both conditions met, refund 50%, C4 of shipping cost, otherwise refund a 0. Okay, that is our question in which we have to solve here. Okay, so okay, after putting formula, now we simply press enter, and there we have to double click on there, so it will automatically fill. Okay, so okay, after solving question number 5, now we are moving toward question number 6. In question number 6, what we have to do, we have to move towards state worksheet containing similar data. Okay, we have to move towards state worksheet here and there. What we have to do, we have to in cell B2 insert count if function. There is B2, there we have to use count if function. Okay, and there count if function count the number of shipping in B1, B1, use appropriate mix reference to range argument keeping column letter the same. Okay, we have to just like open this formula and criteria B1, from where we have to just like here we have to, this is our range from where we have to count, press enter. Okay, there is some problem with formula, so we have to just like count a function. We have to write their range. First we have to give range. Okay, this is a range that we have to give on, and there in criteria what we in criteria we have to write this one. Now simply press OK. Now you may see count a function count just like AUS, how many AUS are there in this one. Okay, so question number 6 is done. In this way we will solve question number 7, 8, 9 and till last point. For that you have to subscribe my channel and will touch with me, and if you need complete solution for this file you may also contact with me on my WhatsApp number, my email ID, my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description. Or remember that your result will be 100% and our price will be reasonable for each and every assignment. I am also expert of mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounts. So if you need any help regarding those, you may also contact with me. Now this time we just covered Exp19 Excel Ch07 Capstone shipping. Okay, we will soon come with our next video in which we will cover our next assignment. Okay, take care, bye bye, and best of luck. Okay, for complete solution contact me on my WhatsApp number that is also given in video description.